Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to edit a boho floral wedding invitation using one of our stock templates. This one right here. Absolutely perfect. We actually don't need to do much, just a few quick tweaks and it'll be ready to list in no time. Let's start by changing the names. I'm going to go with Sarah and Michael. Now I'm holding down the Option key to quickly reposition and align it just right. Next up, colors. Using the eyedropper tool, I'm going to change all the text and design colors to match the florals in the invitation. It makes the whole thing feel more cohesive and customized. I'm also not loving the plain white background, so I'm going to swap that out too. You can totally play around here. Add a soft beige, a texture, whatever fits your vibe. And just a reminder, don't be afraid to get creative. You can change fonts, move things around, add elements, or even swap out graphics entirely if you want. Once you're happy with your design, just save it and then it's time to list it. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe for more template tips. See you in the next one.